How to fix the Expedia app not working, keeps crashing, keeps stopping, and stuck on the loading screen. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the Expedia app not working, keeps crashing and stopping, and it's stuck on the loading screen. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Expedia application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now to check this, you can go to Play Store, click on the search bar in the bottom right corner of the screen, and then type in Expedia. Once you find the application, tap on it. And if you see an update button instead of open button highlighted in blue color, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Now come back and go to your system settings, scroll down and go to apps. From here, you can scroll down and search for Expedia, or you can also use the search button at the top. Type in Expedia. Once you find the app, tap on it and scroll down and go to its storage, and then click on Clear Cache and also click on Clear Data. But remember that clearing the data will include all the files, settings, accounts, and databases, so you have to be very careful regarding this. You can also try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Now, tap and hold the application and then click on Uninstall. Click on OK to confirm and then completely uninstall this application from your device. Go to Play Store, search for Expedia, and reinstall it again. Last but not least, you can also try restarting your entire system. After restarting, relaunch the application, log into your account, and see if the problem is resolved. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.